So mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. So we are now using our Insta360 Ace Pro 2 using the 4K resolution with the 30 FPS. Yung stabilization natin is naka-low. So yan, pwede natin gawin yung mga mabilisang ganyan. The mic that I'm using right now is external mic. It's the DJI Mic Mini. Currently, yung gain niya is naka-0 lang. So, no enhancements yet. And this is the sound without the noise cancellation or noise reduction. Yan, so this is the quality. 4K resolution, 30 FPS. So, naka-normal video mode tayo. And yung ating white balance is nakaset sa 8,000 Kelvin. Something around that. So, medyo expected na warm yung output ng video natin. So, for the aspect ratio, 16:9. And yung ating lens is naka-dewarp siya. So, medyo slightly minimal warping lang yung nangyayari dun sa ating footage. So, this is the audio quality. This is the video quality. And we are shooting on iLog color profile. So, gagamitin lang natin for this video is yung LUT or yung lookup table na default ng Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And we will export this using the Insta360 app. Here's the quality. Pag may magandang lighting, pag nasa likod yung highlights, nandito tayo sa shadow part. Yan. HDR turned on. Here's the quality. So, ngayon, naka-auto settings lang tayo. Naglagay din tayo ng +1 sa exposure value. And this is the quality so far. How's the quality of this Insta360 Ace Pro 2? So, tingin nyo, worth it pa rin ba to? Please let me know in the comments down below.